Good morning, children. Shiv Prabhat. I am PL Misro. On behalf of Education for You, is going to discuss about speech, narration, and today the discussing topic is a reported speech in a reporting verb in past. In previous chapter, we have already learned the reporting verb was in present and future and what effect came into our knowledge has already been discussed. But today we have to discuss a reporting verb in past. If reporting verb will be in past, what effect will come in a reported speech? That is going to be taught before you. You beforehand, you recall your previous lesson. In that lesson, I told you, I discussed before you, if reporting verb is in present or future, there will be no any effect in a reported speech. Only we found comma, inverted comma and conjunction that introduced, and also pronoun introduced. Here the formula is another type that you have to keep in your mind. Just I am going to pronounce it before it. You write the needful and necessary elements of the reported speech. Whenever we are going to change reported speech, how the sequence of the sentence in a reported speech is going to be changed into indirect speech is going to discuss today. That's why some elements I am going to pronounce before you. You write all the elements. Look at here. Now, reporting verb are in past. Reporting verb are in past, but not present and future. What effect will come here? If this is there in direct speech, in indirect speech, it will convert into that. If this is there, it will convert into those. If here is there, that means if here is in direct speech, in indirect speech, it will be there. If here is in direct speech, it will be there. And if ego is in reported speech, direct speech, it will change it into before. Now, then, tomorrow, next day, today, that day, yesterday, previous day, next day, the following day, last night, the previous night. And some more has been left behind, and while I will teach you, during that period, I will tell you all this. Let's come here how it is forming. Which one example I told you, just I am going to tell you, it is in a reporting verb. It is in a reporting verb. The statement is in a reporting verb. That means instead of says, he says, or X says, it will be X said. X said, transitive one I am taking. For example, one transitive sentence in a reporting verb, that is X said to Y, I have no work today. X said to Y, I have no work today. Here is X said to Y. That means you think, you recall your mind. Yesterday I told you intransitive one, said to, instead of say to or said to, that will be told. Here is past, that's why told will come. Instead of said to, told will descend here. X said to Y, I have no work today. But in indirect space, X told Y that I is here. It will be he had no work today. It will convert into where is today? Today it will convert into that day. Here in direct space it was today, and indirect space it will be that day. Like this way I am giving some example, but tomorrow I'll discuss the sentences how it is forming, but today I am giving some example before you. Let's come here. That means I will do. Here is do. Do is here in a reporting verb. Reporting verb is past. For example, that is X said. Reporting verb. X said. X said, comma, within inverted comma, I will do this work. This is here. I will do this work. As per formula, it will be X said that. X said that. X said that. As per formula, X said that. I will do this work. In direct space, it will be he would. I will do this work. He would do that work. This work becomes that work. By this way, it will complete. That means direct speech to indirect speech will be done by this way. The X said, it is past, reporting for past, and I have told you in the sentence main director is a reporting verb, and all the sequence of the sentence or tense depend upon reporting verb. Reporting verb organize all the sentences or the sequence of the tense. Let's come here another example. There are so many examples are there, but today in nutshell I am going to convince you this one for tomorrow proposal. That means I will do this work. It may be he X said, I will do this work now. X said, I will do this work now. X said that he would do that work. Now is here, it will be then. The next one, let's come here. It is in also in reporting verb. Past is here in reporting verb. What effect is coming here? In case of tomorrow is there in direct space. For example, X said to Y. X said to Y, I will meet you tomorrow. X said to Y, I will meet you tomorrow. It is transitive. That's why it will be X told Y. Instead of said to, it will be X told Y that I will meet you tomorrow. But here will be that he would meet him instead of tomorrow. That will be next day. Then the next one example I am giving before you and presenting before you. That one is also in past. That is past. Reporting verb is past. I am going to tell you all the modal auxiliary verb. For example, modal auxiliary verb, how it is introducing here and changing its figure. Let's come here. I can do. That means X said to Y. X said to Y. Here is I shall have to take here Yes, today is here. Today is completed. Next day is here. Next day is here. I am telling you, X said to Y, I will meet you next day. I will meet you next day. As per formula, X said to Y, X told Y that I will meet you next day. It will be he would meet him next day, that is following day. Next come here, another example I am giving you, that is in case of repeating verbs. Also in past, X said to Y, I can do this work. I am taking one example of a model. X said to Y, I can do this work. X told Y in that is in indirect speech. X told Y that I can was here. It will be could. I could do this that work. Where is that work? Today. Today it will be that day. I could do that work. I could do that work. That is, if you find today, it will be that day. By this way, you have to keep in your mind. It depends upon you how it is changing. Can will be could, may will be might, shall will be should, is, and am will be was, are will be where, and indefinite. If it is in present indefinite, it will be past indefinite. If it is in present imperfect, it will be past imperfect. If there are any model auxiliary verb, can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should. By this way, the form will change, or the sequence of the tense will be changed. Tomorrow, details will be discussed about it. I hope you all will keep it in your mind and do exercise. This is all about my teaching, and I hope if anybody likes my teaching, they will do subscribe and share this lesson towards their friends and relatives. Thanks.